Today I'm gonna show you how to replace the ear pads on the Sennheiser PC38X. It's kind of simple, and you simply have to grab the ear pad from the inside and just pull a little bit downward and toward you, and that's how it comes out. Then you're gonna take the replacement one. You're gonna want to align it with the, hold on a sec, one hand that is kind of hard, align it just like that, and then you want to start squeezing around the edges, possibly using two hands. Using a single hand is going to be a little bit hard now, until you hear it a little bit clicking. And let me see if I can pull off some magic with my phone and my hands. Yeah, I don't think I can, but you hear that? That's the clicking you want to hear on one side, and then you do the other side with your other hand. Let me see if I can do that and come back. Alright, I'm just gonna flip it over just like that. Hopefully you see something. Or I'm just gonna start squeezing around it, and that's exactly how you install them. And that's it. It's done. You're ready to go. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.